Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an all-natural carpet freshener that costs way less than anything you can find in the grocery store, and it only requires 2 all-natural ingredients. The first ingredient is baking soda, and the second ingredient is borax. Borax you can find in your local grocery store, hardware store, and really what it does is it just gives the extra boost of neutralizing the odors in your carpet. I'm also going to be using some essential oils today in the scent of lavender. It's personal preference. You don't have to use essential oils if you want, but if you want to add an extra nice fragrance to your carpet freshener, I would recommend some type of essential oil. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you get a jar and we're going to add 2 cups of the baking soda. And I just have a half cup here. I find it much easier to work with than a full cup. So I'm going to be putting 4 half cups to make the 2 cups of baking soda. That wasn't quite full, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so we've got 2 cups of our baking soda. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of borax. So remember, I have the half cup, so I'll be doing 2 scoops. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to take my essential oils, and I normally put between 15 and 20 drops in there. Just depends on how strong you want your scent to be. Remember, this is completely optional. Okay, I've got about 15 in there. And all you do is put the top on the jar. Give it a little shake, shake it up. And that's it, it's that simple. So now you have your own carpet neutralizing powder for way less than what you get in the grocery store. And it took me like maybe 1 minute to make. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what type of essential oil that you like to put in your carpet freshener.